Listening Exercise 16.1. Questions 1 and 2. Listen to Portion 1 of Talk A.
I'd like to welcome all of you to what is, I think, the most unusual course offered by the Biology Department, the Ecology of Coral Reefs. This course is unique because of our research methods. We don't just collect data from the library. Instead, we go to a coral reef in the Virgin Islands to do field studies.
Number 1. What does the speaker imply about the course? Number 2. How will students do research in this class? Questions 3 and 4. Listen to Portion 2 of Talk A.
To prepare you for this trip, we'll first do some formal classroom work in biology. We'll also be going to the university pool to practice scuba diving and to learn the basics of underwater photography. And we'll be talking about precautions you must take to avoid damaging the reef. A coral reef is a very fragile environment, as you'll see.
Number 3. Which of the following will be studied in a formal classroom setting? Number 4. How does the speaker characterize tropical reefs? Questions 5 and 6. Listen to Portion 3 of Talk A.
Because of the nature of this course, it does require a certain financial commitment on your part. The department can only provide basic equipment for you. You have to pay for your own airfare to the Virgin Islands, as well as for your food and lodging. There are a few limited scholarships available for those who might have financial problems. See me after class if you're interested in applying for one of these. Any questions?
Number 5. What will the department provide the students in this class? Number 6. What does the speaker suggest for those who might have problems with the costs of this course? Questions 7 and 8. Listen to Portion 1 of Talk B.
The largest American land mammals are bears. Maybe because bears can stand up and walk on 2 legs, we humans have always found them fascinating. Another characteristic bears have in common with humans is their range of appetite. As a matter of fact, they'll eat almost anything: berries, roots, nuts, meat, fish, and of course, they're particularly fond of honey.
Number 7. The speaker suggests that bears are interesting to humans for what reason? Number 8. What does the speaker imply about the eating habits of bears? Questions 9 and 10. Listen to Portion 2 of Talk B.
The largest bear is the giant Kodiak of Alaska. When this giant stands up, it may reach a height of 10 feet, and it may weigh up to 1,500 pounds. 10 feet tall and weighing 3/4 of a ton, what a sight they must be! Outside of Alaska, the largest bear in the United States is the grizzly bear. There aren't many of these bears left in North America, probably only a few thousand. Most of those live in Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming.
Number 9. How tall can Kodiak bears be when they are standing? Number 10. Where do most grizzly bears live? Questions 11 and 12. Listen to portion 3 of Talk B.
Now, the most common bear in the United States is the black bear, which you'll see in many parts of the country. These bears are smaller than grizzlies and may seem friendly, but watch out. Like all bears, they are unpredictable and can be dangerous.
Number 11. What is the most common type of bear in the United States? Number 12. Which of the following can be inferred from the lecture about black bears?